Hi everyone, welcome back. मैं हूँ जोजो.
और मैं हूँ श्रुति.
Let's vibe.
I've already started vibing. I'm already playing bhangra because
So,
we know what it is.
Yeah, have you heard the song though? Because he dropped it in the album.
No.
You haven't heard the song also.
Impossible hai. I do not. As a rule,
Okay.
I stay away from albums because I know I have to listen to it with you. I actually got a few DMs asking me, आपने पूरी album सुनी है क्या? मैंने कहा नहीं सुनी है.
मैंने भी नहीं सुनी.
क्यों नहीं सुनी है? मैंने कहा hello. I mean, we have to. The whole point of reacting is that we're listening to it for the first time. And that's when you know what.
And we don't cheat on that account. We don't cheat on that account at all. The only thing is, I've heard the hook of this song. I've heard it because वो बहुत reels डाल रहा. He was like dancing into like random rooms and doing his Diljitness.
Oh really?
And then shout out to Hops at BBC and shout out to Preeti Malik at Virgin. They also vibed to the song doing the same thing in the studio.
Oh nice.
In the on-air studio. So that was fun to watch. So I've heard the hook. But let's see what.
So before we get into it, what is the dance move? Maybe you can show it to us.
Nothing. He's just random dancing, just entering different rooms and vibing to the.
I thought there's a proper move. Then I was ready to like do it with you.
It's just go man. Yeah. Just vibe. That's all it is. So let's see. Chalo, let's watch it. Vibe, official video, intense. This name, I've been sent the correct pronunciation. It's Raj Ranjodh. Like Ranveer. Ranjodh.
Yeah, Ranjodh. You have to say it like with the proper Raj Ranjodh. Like you have to say it like that. That's when it comes out proper.
You are my hotkey for this. Okay, chalo. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, play. Oh, sunflowers. Goats.
Mountains.
Vibe teri meri mildi ya. Vibe teri meri mildi ya. Loki mere asse sunde ve tu sunda dil diya. Vibe teri meri mildi ya. Vibe teri meri mildi ya. Gut mera phadda hai jaan ke jata. Roz mile supne ch aan ke jata. Gut mera phadda hai jaan ke jata. Roz mile supne ch aan ke jata. Mom tere vich jachda ਏ. Mom tere vich jachda ਏ. Mainu mood ਕਹਿਣ ਵਾਲਿਆ ਤੇ ਤੂੰ ਦਿਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਸਦਾ ਏ. Mom tere vich jachda ਏ. Mom tere vich jachda ਏ. ਇੰਨਾ ਪਿਆਰ ਕਰੀ ਨਾ ਜੱਟਾ ਹੋ ਜੂਗਾ ਪੋਸੈਸਿਵ ਸੁਭਾਵੇ ਇੱਕ ਮਿੰਟ ਦੂਰ ਜਾਣਾ ਏ ਅਗਲਾ ਨਾ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸਾਵੇ ਰਾਜ ਪਿਆਰ ਬੜਾ ਗੂੜਾ ਆ ਰਾਜ ਪਿਆਰ ਬੜਾ ਗੂੜਾ ਆ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਬਣਾ ਦੂੰ ਨੱਤੀਆਂ ਪਾਉਣਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਚੂੜਾ ਆ ਰਾਜ ਪਿਆਰ ਬੜਾ ਗੂੜਾ ਆ ਰਾਜ ਪਿਆਰ ਬੜਾ ਗੂੜਾ ਆ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਉਹ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਦੇ ਕੱਟ ਦੇਵੇ ਵੱਟ ਕੁੜਤੇ ਪਜਾਮੇ ਦੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ 15 ਦੇ ਸਿਰ ਪਾਲ ਤੇ ਚਰਚੇ ਸੁਣਾ ਮੈਂ ਕੀਤੇ ਕਾਰਨਾਮੇ ਦੇ ਮੈਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨਾਲ ਤੋੜੀਆ ਮੈਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨਾਲ ਤੋੜੀਆ ਵੇ ਤੂੰ ਬਸ ਮੇਰਾ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਕੋਈ ਛੋਟੀ ਗੱਲ ਥੋੜੀ ਆ ਵੇ ਮੈਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨਾਲ ਤੋੜੀਆ ਵੇ ਮੈਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨਾਲ ਤੋੜੀਆ ਵੇ ਮੈਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨਾਲ ਤੋੜੀਆ
Oh, BTS.
मतलब
Oi. That was cute. I liked it. It was just a simple video. And
I loved it.
It's basically the title of the song, just vibe. Vibe. It's just
total vibe. And that whole move also, like, which is a very, I also really liked it. But my favorite part was that pahad in the background, uske field ke piche. And there was also a, what is it called? A rainbow, which was, I think, created just for the song. So there was like a fake rainbow that was created.
Oh my God.
Piche where aage he is dancing. It was very cute.
I could take my eyes off him. I miss this rainbow. But my favorite part was the sunflowers. It's my favorite flower.
You know, that whole desi thing is there, na? Ke khet ke andar और भेड़ बकरियों के बीच में यहाँ पे he's just taken the same elements but put them in a very like a fancy setting and it's like farmhouse में proper like you know खेत की जगह पे ऐसे proper वो है like you know it's like
but full I was feeling full FOMO because the sunflowers are my favorite flower one.
I didn't know that. Okay.
Yeah, and I've never been to a sunflower field. Like I've never seen one in real life. Yeah, so it hurts me. It physically pains me. That is it's on my bucket list. I need to
listen. Next, whenever you are in India, please come. I will take you to one Punjab ka, one khet, and वहाँ पे बहुत खेती होती है.
Only sunflowers, yeah.
Lot of sunflowers, yeah. And like इतने बड़े, they go to like such big. I've seen such big ones, and like I've actually sat there for half an hour because I wanted to see do they actually move with the sun.
They do.
And they do. Yeah, like I was just like, and there was one, and then there was one time when I even saw them facing away from the sun, and I was like, "Ye kya hai?" Like sunflowers supposed to be like facing towards it, and then one entire. Anyway, I won't get into all the technical bits of it, but I was explained one full funda why it happens, what it is.
So you tell me offline. I'm very interested.
Yeah.
But what a cute video! What a cute song! Just lovely lyrics. This song is like it just makes our heart happy. It just makes you smile.
You know that moment when he said, "Ke." बड़ी बात like अपने आप में ये कितनी बड़ी बात है, you know the way he said it, that you have been like how when you're chatting and all that and सवेरा हो जाता है, like you know when you've been chatting the whole night, when you've been vibing the whole night and सुबह हो जाती है अपने आप में, that's such a big deal. So like I loved it the way he delivered that line also, and like you know there was so much play but at the same time like emotion in it. It was beautiful. Yeah, I really like this song. I can like dance again. I couldn't stop dancing. It's weeks.
I couldn't stop dancing. I couldn't stop moving. I was like, I also want to make a reel on this song now. You and I we'll make.
First half of the song, I also felt ke, wait a minute, ye gana to, you know, it's a girl singing this song for a guy.
Yeah.
And then the second half of the song, there were certain lines then started coming, which the guy is singing back. So I was initially like, wait a minute, is this like one of those swap things where he's basically singing the song on behalf of the girl to him? And then I was like trying to like figure it out, and like as usual trying to like कि कोई scope है क्या overthinking के लिए. Then I realized ज़्यादा कुछ scope नहीं था. Then I just surrendered and said, okay, गाना अच्छा था, enjoy करो, vibe enjoy करो, chill करो, बस.
Yeah, no, through the song I didn't get the swapping bit. I just got that girl perspective से लिखा है, and it's very beautifully written. And I like when the lyricists do that. You know, we've talked about this before.
Last verse was guy speaking.
Okay.
He will get things and like all that. Yeah. Like that.
Oh, cute. Yeah, very nice. Just enjoy your life. That vibe is.
This is a very, you know, this has put me in such a happy mood right now.
Yeah.
Like एक वो होता है ना, ज़्यादा दिमाग नहीं लगाने का, just enjoy करने का, vibe करने का. बिल्कुल वही है ये. हाँ, साथ में मुझे भी एक आधा भेड़ बकरियां चाहिए.
I know. I was thinking the same thought. I also want to lie on the grass with all the bakris around me. So cute.
Oh my God. Yes.
Okay, we'll go look for a farm for ourselves. In the meantime, you check out Miss Mola's website. It's linked below. And take care of yourselves. Vibe to the song, and we'll see you in the next one. Live long and prosper.